One dark and dreary day, Aubrey went kayaking for an amazing adventure and decided to record it. Little did she know what lay ahead of her. She brought her GoPro to make the video. Tragedy occurred and the GoPro fell off the kayak. It was 10 minutes before she realized the GoPro was gone. She made a quick 180-degree turn. She rushed back just before the GoPro flew down the waterfall. Finally, she was reunited with her GoPro and made a spectacular video.
Aubrey was traveling down this river, making a sick, nasty vlog, when she dropped her camera in this corner, thinking about all that
sweet ad revenue.
She continued going down the river for 10 minutes against the current as her camera flowed down the river. By the time she had caught up to it, it was a mile from where she dropped it. So, C is the speed of the current. D is the distance. So we know the distance here, which is from where she turned around to where the camera was dropped, is equal to 10 minutes times Aubrey's speed minus the speed of the current as she was traveling against the current. The distance from where she turned around to where she got to the camera is equal to D plus 1 mile. We don't know how long it took her to get back to her camera, so we're going to call it T. T is equal to A plus C. Aubrey's speed plus the speed of the current because she was traveling with the current back towards her camera. The 1 mile the camera traveled is equal to C times the amount of time plus 10. So the 10 minutes she traveled before she realized she had dropped her camera. So next we need to distribute all of these masses. So this one becomes till we stop laughing. This one becomes and this one becomes okay. So we know that D is equal to 10A minus 10C. So we can replace the D here with that. We know that the 1 here is equal to CT plus 10C. So we can replace this one with that. Once it's simplified, it is equal to this. And from here, I forgot what then we can divide by A to find out that 10 equals T. So now we can go back to these sentences and substitute 10 in for T. So now we can replace the T in this sentence with 10. So this sentence then simplifies to, and we can simplify that to So the current in miles per minute is 0.05, but in miles per hour, that is 3 miles per hour.